Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo. If you're hopping on a long economy flight anytime soon, you know it can feel like a marathon for your patience, posture, and peace of mind, especially when you're stuck in that tiny seat for 10 hours or more. But don't worry, just like a kangaroo expertly navigates tough terrain, I've got your back with the top 10 must-know tips to survive and thrive on long-haul economy flights in 2026. These aren't just any tips, they're sneaky hacks even flight attendants quietly love. Ready to make your next flight smoother, comfier, and maybe even enjoyable? Let's hop right into it. Number 1. Choose the back row. Most travelers scramble for seats near the front, thinking that's the best strategy. But here's a kangaroo's secret. The back row might just be your long-haul survival champion. Why? Because these seats usually recline fully. No one's behind you to complain. Plus, the back is often quieter, less crowded, and close to the galley and bathrooms, making those mid-flight pit stops easier. Recline guilt-free and maybe even snag a whole empty row next to you. Number 2. Order a special meal. Want to eat fresh and first? Then order a special meal when booking your ticket. Vegetarian, vegan, kosher, gluten-free, whatever suits you. Airlines serve special meals before the regular ones, so you get hot, fresh food while everyone else waits. Bonus? These meals often come with better quality ingredients and less mystery meat. Forgot to order it in advance? Just call your airline 48 hours before takeoff and add it in. Number 3. Dress smart and stay comfy. Jeans on a long haul? That's a no-go. Instead, channel your inner kangaroo pouch comfort with layers. Think breathable merino wool that keeps you warm or cool and won't smell after hours of wear. Add a hoodie or light jacket and definitely wear compression socks. They're not glamorous, but trust me, they keep your circulation flowing and stop your ankles from swelling into grapefruit size. Number 4. Bring a wide-mouth thermos. Hydration is key at 30,000 feet, but carrying a flimsy water bottle just won't cut it. So grab a wide-mouth insulated thermos. It keeps your drinks hot or cold for hours. You can use it to sip tea, soup, or even oatmeal with hot water from the flight attendants. It's a little luxury that honestly makes those sad airplane snacks way cozier. Number 5. Save your favorite shows and podcasts for flight time. Here's a mental trick. Only watch your favorite shows or listen to guilty pleasure podcasts when you're on a flight. This way, your brain starts, associating flying with something fun instead of misery. Cue up your best binge-worthy series or that podcast you love, but save it exclusively for flights. It's weirdly comforting and makes the hours just fly by. Number 6. Hack your tray table for hands-free viewing. Holding your phone or tablet for hours. No thanks. Turn your tray table into a mini movie theater with simple hacks. Stick a pop socket on your phone to prop it up, use sunglasses as a stand, or wedge your device inside a clear plastic bag hooked on the tray latch. For the next level, grab a flexible phone stand from Amazon. It folds flat and holds your device perfectly at eye level. Number 7. Don't rely on in-seat power outlets. You'd think by 2026 every plane would have power outlets at every seat. Think again. Some planes have USB-A ports, some have full outlets, and honestly, others don't have any at all. So just to be safe, bring a USB-A charging cable, a small power bank, and maybe even an adapter for different plug types. Nothing kills your flying vibe quite like a dead phone during the season finale. Number 8. Check SeatGuru before booking your seat. Before you book, just hop on SeatGuru.com and enter your flight number. This handy site shows detailed seat maps and actually calls out bad seats, like, broken recline, no power outlets, noisy bathrooms nearby, or those glitchy entertainment screens. Avoid surprises mid-flight and pick the seat that's actually going to make your journey bearable. Number 9. Pack a seat bag for essentials. Don't be that kangaroo frantically digging through overhead bins every hour. Pack a small seat bag with your in-flight essentials, headphones, charger, snacks, lip balm, eye mask, maybe meds, and keep it right under the seat in front of you. You'll be organized, comfortable, and honestly, totally drama-free. Number 10. Sleep smart. Keep your seatbelt buckled over your blanket. Finally, if you want uninterrupted sleep during turbulence or when the seatbelt sign flickers on and off, buckle your seatbelt over your blanket. That way, flight attendants can check you're buckled without waking you up. Staying asleep even 90 minutes straight feels like winning the Kangaroo lottery on those overnight flights.
Know you've been a good friend.
That's it. The top 10 tips from Traveling Kangaroo to help you hop through long economy flights like a pro. If these tips helped you feel ready to tackle your next flight with confidence and comfort, go ahead and hit that like button to tell YouTube we're sharing valuable travel wisdom for smart travelers like you. Don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more sneaky travel hacks every week. Follow us on social media and visit travelingkangaroo.com for even more in-depth guides and insider tips. Thanks for hopping along with me today. Safe travels, and see you in the skies.